Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's John Erickson, living and working here in Los Angeles, California. I am available for the shoot dates, and here's a full body shot. Thanks so much. Thanks, Ian. If you don't mind, I'd like to tag on to that. The TPS reports in question today involve the tipping points for the Earth's cryosphere, in particular the Antarctic and subarctic regions. Now, the upcoming global TPS report, focusing on the negative tipping points in the Earth system, ranging from ice sheet collapses to rainforest dieback, will be coming out a week from Friday. I'd be more than happy to put some time on the calendar if anyone has questions about that. But in the meantime, we do have some socioeconomical, technical, and political systems that could trigger positive change and thus mitigate the risks. There's a graphic here which I'll share with you in a moment, and also an open dialogue in the following days, including Saturday. I'll be online. So feel free to reach out and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. I'll leave with that.